Hey guys, welcome back again to another beach day in Dubai. Today I'll be doing a quick stop at Kite Beach. I've been there already. I have a vlog about Kite Beach where I walked from Kite Beach to the BURJ Arab, but today we're just going for a quick activity which I won't be recording. I might just do a little bit of swimming, and then from there we'll go to Lamere Beach. Lamere Beach is the main destination for this vlog, so if you're watching this, we're going to Lamere Beach, okay? And I've got my SOUK hat ready. After Kite Beach, we're going there for lunch, and then we're going to be spending the rest of the day there. If you're new here, my name is Abby and this is Waka Waka. Welcome back to my channel, and see you in the rest of the vlog. Bye bye. Guys, he's just got washed ashore. Oh, it's So we just arrived at Lamere Beach. It looks like an interesting site, really. There are shops everywhere. It's not as busy, so I'm guessing we're early. So we're gonna use the opportunity to just walk around, look for a good spot to settle down and enjoy this beach. Lamere Beach is it's small actually compared to JBR. Or what should I use? The word intimate. It actually has more character than JBR does. The weather has changed already into like as if it's gonna rain, okay? I can't take any more rains in Dubai. Like if it rains again, I'm literally gonna pack my bags and start going back home. I'm serious, guys. It's so great. Oh my god. It's so cold. I'm waiting for the sun to come out before I get inside the water. I was just laying down here, and a little kid, like naked kid, came and was hauling at me like, ah! That's crazy. Oh, lots of seagulls flying around. How do I flick the camera? Oh. Started raining, and then we packed up our stuff, but it stopped already. What I'm just going to do is down there and then walk back. It's starting to rain again. Oh my god. There are lots of bathrooms and shower rooms for people to use after swimming in the ocean. We've got this cool shower heads. Look at that. We were just exiting, we decided to go towards another direction and we ended up on another part of the beach. So this is the, I guess the mirror is into two parts, and this portion is actually much more larger than where we were, but the weather is so bad and it's about to rain and we're going to